Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing power and any batteries. This prevents shorts. Use a T8 for the main screws and a T6 for smaller fasteners. Once a screw releases, keep it separated. Pry the shell gently with a plastic tool and lift the top cover. Do not force clips. You want to expose the bumper assembly and spring area quickly because access is the point. Make sure to note the orientation of internal cables and the metal plate so reassembly goes smoothly. Once inside, lift the metal trigger plate enough to access the bumper modules. This gives you room to remove the old parts. Pull the bumper out and swap springs if needed. Matching tension preserves feel. Install the new bumper so its contact pad aligns with the PCB switch. Press gently to seat it. Before snapping the shell back, press the bumper to verify smooth travel and consistent return. If it sticks, reseat the spring or check for debris. This prevents reopening later. You reassemble by lowering the metal plate and making sure cables aren't pinched. Once aligned, snap the shell halves together evenly. Replace screws in the original positions and tighten snugly but not overly. Over-torquing can strip plastic. Plug in and test the controller on your console or PC, using button tests to confirm actuation and dead zone behavior. If a bumper misfires, open it and inspect pad alignment, spring hooks, and the contact area on the PCB. Correcting those fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.